Alrighty guys, you know where we are. That's right, we're here at Macy's at University Park Mall here in Mishawaka. Look, they have replaced the buttons outside. It's still the same old US elevator. Yes. Adam's floor indicator. That's funny. Probably because they were tired of writing with the Sharpie. But anyway, we're gonna go up to 2. Here we go. Period 2. Once again, the buttons don't even light up. Oh gosh, here we go. Now we replace that floor indicator. There, 1. Going up? Yep. Come on in.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here you go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's see if they should replace the button out here. Yep, they have. With Adams. Interesting. It's a nice cab. Although, what's up with this panel here? There's absolutely nothing. See, look at this panel. Anyway, this replacement. Okay, that does nothing. Look at this. Now watch this. Epic one if the door closes. That panel is absolutely nothing. So these 3 buttons here, there's your Circleline. Up there's your phone. ADA compliant. She'll go up again. Here we go. Sounded wonderful. Going now?
Yes.
I have no idea why this thing's... Go ahead.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
Thank you too. No, you're not gonna leave me. That's a weird button though. I don't know why they replaced it with Adams, but the elevator is still original. But though it's COP. Come on, you can close now. There you go. And I guess that is going to be it for me.